Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pin Google Chat to your taskbar for quick and easy access whenever you need it. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to chat.google.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your Google account credentials. This will give you access to all your conversations and ensure the page is ready to be pinned with your active session. After you've successfully logged in and can see your Google Chat interface, direct your attention to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. This is where all your pinned and currently open applications appear, and it's the perfect location for quick access to frequently used tools like Google Chat. Now locate your browser icon on the taskbar. This is the icon representing the browser you're currently using, whether that's Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or another browser. Once you've found it, right-click on the browser icon. This action will open a context menu with several options for managing how your browser appears and functions on your taskbar. From the menu that appears, look for the option that says Pin to Taskbar and click on it. By selecting this option, you're telling your computer to keep the browser icon permanently visible on your taskbar, even when the browser isn't running. This means that whenever you click on this pinned icon, it will open directly to your Google Chat page, saving you time from having to type the URL or search through bookmarks every time you want to check your messages. And that's it. You've successfully pinned Google Chat to your taskbar, giving you instant access to your conversations with just a single click. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.